Hey guys, so we're back. This is the fourth video for the day. If you haven't seen the previous ones, I had BDO an hour before this. Then I had an interview with a mom who wanted to invest in the stock market. So that's all for moms who want to know the basics of the market. Or if you want to know the basics of the market, then that video is also for you. It's called Stock Investing for Moms. It posted 9 p.m. today. Then at 8 p.m., we talked about what are the stocks that are used, what stocks are supposed to be looked at, what are the stocks that won't do so well, is the economy still good, or what's the movement today, is the upward movement something that's sustainable, or is it just fueled by sentiment? So for videos, this is the last one. And as as you all know, a lot of you guys have been requesting Jollibee. Similar to Ayala Land, it's one of the most Ayala Land and Ayala Corp. It's one of the most requested stocks that we have in the vlog. And I don't know, it's just nice to be able to make as much videos for all of you. And there, I hope you got to watch that. If you haven't watched it yet, just go back so that you can see it. And there, if you're new to this, my name is Marvin Germo. I'm a stock market trader and investor. And part of me trading is I love sharing my ideas and my insights about the stock market. Please do note that these are not stock picks. This is me breaking down stocks based on uh, the ones that you guys want, but it's purely based on technical analysis. It's purely based on support and resistance, moving averages, MACD, candlesticks. Sometimes I add volume. As you all know, there's other indicators also that could be used, but just for the simplicity of this video, I just picked the ones that are, I guess, universal to everyone, the indicators and the parameters that everyone would use, so that it's easier for everyone to be in sync in what's happening. So there. So if you're new, please subscribe and smash the bell so you get updated every time I come up with new content about investing and the markets. And if there's anything that you like from all of this, appreciate it if you could press the thumbs up. Appreciate it if you could press the like button, as it shows this video to more and more people in YouTube. Now, let's break down Jollibee stock altogether. And please remember, I've said this in a lot of videos, that one of the biggest changes that we've seen, no, in terms of sentiment is because of GCQ. So having GCQ allows a lot of the businesses that have been closed during the lockdown to now have a shot to be open. And as you all know, Jollibee is one of the companies that got affected in all of this because they've been closed. The majority of their sales have been online and delivery. And now they just dropped a new video also. You can check it out. That in their new video, they're showing that you can order, you can come in under new social distancing measures. So it gives a shot that at least sales will be coming in, more sales will be coming in. But at the end of the day, I don't know why I'm laughing. But at the end of the, guys, I'm laughing kasi yung wife ko nagjo-joke sa harapan, so I'm sorry about that. She's trying to distract me. So if you hear the laughing there, she's trying to distract me while I'm doing this video. But anyways, so they have this social distancing measures that hopefully people adapt to this new normal. So when people adapt to this new normal, uh, people don't won't be scared to go out. As you remember, know what I said about uh it's harder for people to buy if they're scared of going out. So the more people accept what's going on, it will give a shot for more and more people to start to spend normally. And please remember, I said this in a previous video, that it's not just about it's not just about the virus, but it's about the fear of the virus. When people are scared to go out, they won't spend. So let's see how this will play out. But automatically, you already know, I've said this in a lot of the Jollibee videos, that you can expect Jollibee's income to be higher this year. And if 2019 wasn't as good as 2018, and there's already a projection that a lot of their stores in the US were closed, a lot of their stores in China were closed, a lot of their stores in the Philippines were closed. So there's an expectation that income won't be as good. Now let's look at the charts. And as you all know, everything you need to know is found in the charts. By the way, I posted a video. You can just go back, no, search it na lang. I interviewed Lane Fable. She's an American. She gave her input about Smash Burger. And as you all know, one of the reasons why Jollibee was down last year was because Smash Burger's income wasn't so good. So it's nice to hear what Americans think of Jollibee and Smash Burger as a whole. And by the way, I don't know if you know this. There was Jollibee was trending. I think it was yesterday because I think there was a satire site that placed Jollibee as the most popular brand in Michigan. Then a lot of Americans reacted because there wasn't even a Jollibee store in Michigan. But anyways, let's go to the technicals of this video. So I hope that you guys are still I hope you guys are still awake now since it's 11 p.m. already and this video is dropping quite late. But I really felt that I needed to do more videos, especially where we are in the markets right now. So this is where we left off. I tried to continue the charts that I made before, no, and it's very evident that the downtrend that I posted from the previous videos is still there. So the downtrend that if you look at the highs here, which started April 2019, we're now 14 months into the downtrend and we have not still reversed yet. So as of today, as of June 2020, the current downtrend of Jollibee is at 14 months already. So that's what I've been saying for those who attended our Stock Smart sessions, that uh, we avoid stocks that are in downtrends because we don't know how long it will last. Our goal is not to predict, our goal is not to forecast how long a downtrend will last. Our goal is just basically to follow the trend. Our goal is just basically to follow what the trend lines are telling us. If there's no reversal yet and you are a position trader, by the way, this entire context of me talking about a downtrend is basically for position traders. If you're an investor or you're a quick trader, we're gonna analyze quick trading in a bit. So if you are a position trader, your goal is just to ride the trend out. If the trend is not for you, then it would be very prudent to stay away first, be in cash until a reversal comes in. So I repeat, Jollibee is still currently on a 14th-month downtrend. You have the 200-day moving average and the 100-day moving average confirming its downward movement. Now, let me zoom in. This is for quick traders naman. As you all know, position traders trade and follow the trend, while quick traders trade the volatility. Now, I posted this in a previous video where I said that you have a support range here at the 106, 107, 108 level, and we saw Jollibee start to break down at the end of May. It broke down May 22, the next day after May 22 with a large red bearish candle. Then after that, it had three more successive days of selling, which brought it close to the support. And as you all know, when a stock hits a certain support level, when a stock hits a level of buying, in technical analysis, in the stock market, more buyers bring the prices up. And that's what happened for Jollibee. As Jollibee hit close to the support level, we saw, look at this. Let me zoom in even further so you have greater context. Ayaw mag-zoom in. There you go. So as you see it hit this level close to the support, we saw 1, 2, 3, 4 days of green candles for Jollibee. Now you might be asking, why the Jollibee stock go down last Friday? Why was there a red candle? Because it just went back to where the resistance is. So please do note, measuring this from support to resistance here, so you have full context also. This is around the 23+% trade already. So for those who were able to capture Jollibee close to the support and sold at the resistance, it's still a 23.8% trade. So again, that's why there's a big difference between position trading and quick trading. For position trading, the whole downtrend was still an avoid signal, but for quick trading, as it hit the support level, that became a buy signal. As it hit the support level and started to bounce, as it hit the support level and went above it, it showed you that there were people buying, that it did not fall lower than the current support level. So that being said, if we just follow this projection also, allow me to erase this first. Mhm. So if selling will continue and it fails to go and break out from the resistance, the possible movement downward will cause Jollibee to retrace around the 106 or 107 or 108 level, which is where the previous support is, as what we saw here in the first week of April and what we saw here in the last week of May. And you know what's so interesting about this? It looks like, ano no, parang ang tagal na ng panahon that I can't imagine that the lockdown was more almost a quarter ago already. Uh, it seemed like we've been at home for a quarter, and parang a lot of things have passed by already. A lot of holidays have passed by from Holy Week, and now we're close to Independence Day already. So I don't know. I think it's just so interesting how this year has changed not just a lot of businesses, not just the way you would save and invest, but also the way would we rethink things as well. Now, just for to give you the opposite scenario, if this week we see Jollibee at least try to attack and move higher from the 132 level, then the next possible target price from the breakout from the 132 will bring it to around 150. So again, breakout from 132 will bring the stock to 150. It gives a 13.5% upside. But the downside also right now, if it does not break out from the 132 level, it could retrace back to the 107, 108 level. So those are the possible progressions for Jollibee. MACD showing a bit of weakness. It's still below the zero line crossing as of today. Uh, that it's not, the two lines are not separating from each other, so it would be good also to find out how that works out for the next week, if there's a change in direction, or if we're seeing a continuation of where it's currently headed. So please do remember, what the 130 to 132 range is something that you have to watch out for Jollibee. If it stays above that range, if it stays above, it could go back to 150. If it does not, then it could go back down to the 107 level. And that's how it is from a quick trading standpoint. Allow me to also update you over the next few weeks if there's any fundamental updates. But I'll say this already, and I've been saying this consistently in a lot of videos. It will be expected that the second quarter earnings of a lot of these companies won't be so well. So I guess that's it for now. Links below on my books. Stock Smarts Manila will be we will have Stock Smarts Manila, SMX, uh, Mall of Asia, June 20, June 21, June 27, June 28, under the new GCQ social distancing rules. So tuloy na we're gonna have our first training session for the year, and I'm excited about it. Then online courses, Chinkee Tan, Sean Si, links in the description. I have a lot of links also for Patreon, McAfee, NordVPN, and everything else that you'd like to know. All of them are in the links below. And I guess that's it. Stay tuned for more videos this week. If you guys have other stocks that you guys want to request, put them in the comment section, and then I'll just try to make more and more videos off of that. I hope you guys got a lot from this, no? And I hope that even if it's 11 p.m. already, you guys are still watching and learning. And I salute those who have been consistently being part of the vlog, who have been watching, who have been learning, because at the end of the day, you will grow as far as what you know, and what you know will help you decide properly. Uh, Knowledge brings competence, competence brings confidence, and there. That's it for now, guys. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. A bit tired na kasi medyo late na rin to film this video, but yun lang. I'll never stop making content for all of you. I won't stop teaching and sharing what I know, because this is what I can give. And you never stop giving, you never stop doing something that you know a lot of people will benefit. So I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, and God bless you all.